southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Nebraska until 4 p.m. At 1:55 p.m., emergency management reported that earlier heavy rainfall has resulted in water over 565th Avenue just north Highway 136, making it impassable. Flash flooding is already occurring. The storms associated with the heavy rain are moving to the east of the area, so conditions are expected to improve in the next couple of hours. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Flash flooding will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Jefferson County. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Jeez. That's a bad one right there. Uh-oh, this one's for us.
Severe weather has been confirmed by law agency when you can do so safely.
Oh wow, that was a short one.
Flash flood information. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Cass County in southeastern Nebraska until 6:15 p.m. At 3:12 p.m., Doppler radar and automated gauges indicated that heavy rainfall in excess of 3 inches has fallen in a short period of time in the warned area. An additional inch of rain may still fall this afternoon. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Waking Water, Murray, Union, and Mihaka. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.